Ndewo na ụmụaka. Welcome back to another fun episode of Nkịta aha ụmụ anụmanụ Igbo. Today's spotlight is on the loyal and lovable animal. Can you guess? It barks, wags its tail, and is called Nkịta in Igbo. Nkịta. Say with me. Nkịta. Nkịta. Fun facts. Dogs have been close friends to humans for thousands of years. Nkịta often guards the compound or follows hunters to the bush. Some dogs are clever enough to understand up to 100 words or more. Dogs are loyal companions. They come in different breeds and sizes, as pets and as guards. Nkịta is always alert and ready to help out its people, just like how you might stand up for a friend or help out at home. They are loyal, playful, and full of energy. Can you think of someone who never gives up on you? Okay, let's say it together. Nkịta. Again. Nkịta. Good job. See you next time as we explore more animals in Igbo. For now, Nkịta says bye. Biko, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun Igbo learning. Ka ọ dị nụ.